boy, do I have one fantastic wraparound porch for you at my new Victorian style listing at 308 Prospect Street in Chicopee. This is your real life dollhouse that you can have. Let's step inside so we can take a look at it from the interior. Let's face it, some things are just bigger and better in Victorian style homes, like the grand foyers, the prominent staircases, the high ceilings, and the intricate detail and woodwork is absolutely astonishing in this beautiful home. And let's talk about style. Back in the 19th century, heat was a precious commodity, and the Victorians knew how to cozy up in style with their beautiful ornate overmantels. And it was right here where they would display some of their most precious prized possessions. The details in this home quietly convey the grandeur of the Victorian era in features such as pocket doors, built-in glass cabinets, and opulent chandeliers. Over the years, there have been several renovations made, including this room right here. This bright three-seasons room could be used in a variety of ways. Let's talk laundry. No laundry in the basement. We have first floor laundry for added extra convenience. And as you can see, this kitchen is quite spacious with the original tin ceiling and enough room for an island for more workspace if needed. Half bath and mudroom complete this first floor. And as we head up the back stairway, you'll see that we're graced by the beauty of this gorgeous stained glass. On the second floor, you'll find 4 large bedrooms, each with their own closets and that are flooded with natural sunlight through the floor-to-ceiling windows. And 3 of the bedrooms features period 3-arm chandeliers. But this one in the hallway is my favorite because each bulb can be turned on with its own switch. The second floor full bathroom has been renovated and focuses on beauty, elegance, and comfort with a tiled walk-in shower dressed up in a romantic lush feel that's sure to make you feel pampered. And a hidden treasure awaits us on the 3rd floor. This space has been transformed into its own special retreat with skylights, separate heat, and an abundant amount of storage space. Outside, we have a comfortable patio for you to relax in, a 2-car garage, large outbuilding, and a pretty perfect backyard with some natural privacy. This Victorian style of home is considered a work of art with an everlasting elegance. Now it's time to make it yours. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly, and until next time, happy house hunting.